Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome back to 9th standard maths class. In the previous video, we learned the first theorem or first concept of equal area triangle. That is, all triangles with the same base and area had their third vertices on a line parallel to the base. Conversely, all triangles with the same base and the third vertex on a line parallel to the base have same area. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to draw equal area triangles with the given measurements. How to draw equal area triangles with the given measurement. Suppose we have a triangle with sides 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm, and we have to draw another triangle of same area. Okay, so to draw that, here is a method. Follow the steps one by one. First of all, draw the triangle with sides 4, 5, 6 cm with 6 cm as base. You know how to draw a triangle with the given three measurements that you know. So first of all, draw a triangle with 6 cm as base. So this is the triangle with sides 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm and 6 cm as base. Now I am going to mark the points as A, B and C. Now here we have to draw another triangle of same area as that of ABC. So according to the concept that we learned in the beginning, for triangles to be equal in area, they must satisfy two conditions. What are the two conditions? First condition is base must be same. For all the triangles with the same area, their base must be same. That is the first condition. Now the second condition is upper vertex must be on a line parallel to the base. That means we need a parallel line with all the upper vertices. So for the next triangle also, base we have to take as same 6 cm. Next we need a parallel line passing through the point C we need. Listen carefully. For that, take any of the set square and scale also you have to take. Now in the set square you can see two perpendicular sides. First perpendicular side like this and second perpendicular side like this. So to draw the parallel line, first of all place the first perpendicular side at the baseline, that is in the 6 cm line. Keep like this. Then take your scale and keep the scale in the next perpendicular side like this. Okay, now we have to move the set square upwards without any change. We have to move the set square upwards. Listen carefully. Here set square at the base point and scale in the next perpendicular. Move like this up to it reach the point C. That means C is the upper vertex. So hold tightly, then move like this up to the point C, up to C point. After reaching that point C, this is a C point. Now draw the line like this. So this is a method to draw parallel line. So the upper line will be parallel to the base line AB. Okay, AB is parallel to the upper line. Now we have to draw triangle. So for that we can take any line. Use the compass for that. Take your compass and keep the pinpoint at the point B and draw an arc anywhere of the upper line like this. Now from the same point draw another arc from the point A to that line like this. Now you will get a point. Now this point join to B like this. From that point to the point B. So this is the next side. Then join to A also. So this is the third side. So this is the triangle. Now we can take that point as D. So triangle ABD is the triangle with the same area as that of triangle ABC. So this is the method, and we can draw many triangle like this. You can take any point in the upper vertex. Like if you are taking this point, you have to join that point to B and A. Then you will get another triangle with same area. So I am going to join that point to B like this. Then to the point A also. So this is another triangle with the same area ABE, with the same area as that of triangle ABC. Like this you can draw many triangles. Anywhere of that parallel line you can take the point. Suppose we have a triangle ABC with the sides 7 cm, 6 cm and 5 cm. We have to draw another triangle with the same area with one more condition, that is next side. Another side must be 8 cm. 3 sides will be there for a triangle. Out of that 3 sides, one side must be 8 cm. But area must be same as that of this triangle. So to draw that, first of all, the base must be same. That means this 7 cm must be the base. Now next step is we need a parallel line. Upper vertex must be on the parallel line. So a parallel line we need passing through the point C. So for that, take the set square and place the set square like this. Okay. Then after placing the set square, take the scale and place like this. Then move the set square. Hold the scale tightly. Then move the set square. Move up to the point C. Through the point up to the point C. Now remove the scale and draw the line like this. So this is a parallel line parallel to AB and passing through the point C. Now next is base, anyway it is 7 cm. So the next will be 8 cm side. So for that, take your compass. Take the compass and measure 8 cm in the compass. Measure 8 cm in the compass. So 8 cm measurement. Then draw an arc 8 cm in anywhere of this line. 8 cm line. Draw an arc like this. 8 cm line. So this line will be 8 cm. Now join that line from this point. Join to B like this. We can take the point as D. Now DB will be 8 cm. So AB is the first side, BD is the next side. Now join the next side also. AD is the next side. So this is the next triangle with the one side as 8 cm.